Did you know that businesses, researchers, and travelers rely on geocoded maps daily? But turning Excel data into a visual map doesn't have to be complicated. Imagine you have a list of Japan's airports in Excel. Wouldn't it be great if you could see them all plotted on a map within seconds? That's where MAPOG simplifies the process. No coding, no complex tools, just simple drag, drop, and map. Upload your Excel file using Upload CSV/Excel file. Select columns with location data like latitude and longitude or WKT. Click Publish, and watch your data transform into an interactive map. Whether you're mapping customer locations, real estate properties, this saves time, improves analysis, and makes data actionable. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis, creating map stories, or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime. Thank you for using MAPOG.